What's going on, guys? Hope you are doing well. It's Jacob Ray here, back with another video. I know I have been MIA on content, on agency stuff, pay-per lead stuff, X, Y, and Z. Really just been busy with the agency, traveling. I mean, honestly, there's really no excuse. I've just been lazy on making content. I just did move into a new place, a new apartment here in Miami Beach. I absolutely love it. Freaking like 30-foot ceilings. It's like a loft, loft slash, I don't even know what you want to call this, townhouse. So that's really good. But essentially why I'm making this video is I do have something to pitch you. This isn't, a course or SMMA program or, sorry, someone just texted me. Let me get that out of here. So it's not some course, SMMA program or school community or anything like that. I'm really looking to partner with 5 agency owners, right? And this is my way of reaching you is through YouTube, because through YouTube, I have met amazing people and amazing friends. And this is my way of acquiring agencies, right? So who is this for, right? So if you are running an SMMA in the home service or real estate space, and you are sick and tired of running the retainer model, the PIF model, it feels like you're pulling teeth to get clients to pay you. You got to make these complicated sales processes, these complicated VSLs, build so much trust before they call. It's just like all this work just to get $1,500 a month and pitch the same offer as every other agency owner. Get guaranteed 20 appointments or you don't pay and all this sort of stuff, right? And it's just making the agency just seem like shit, right? So essentially this offer is a 50-50 partnership. I'm not bringing on 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 people onto this. I'm looking only for 5 where I'm gonna take you where you're at and we're gonna do a 50-50 partnership and get you to $50,000, $100,000 a month. So this is essentially what I'm gonna do. You're gonna copy and paste my proven pay-per-lead offer. 2, I'm gonna pick the niche for you. 3, I'm gonna build the client acquisition system so we can sell the people of the pay-per-lead offer, right? Find clients for that pay-per-lead offer. 4, I'm gonna run all the fulfillment for you. And then 5, I am going to remove you from the day-to-day business so you're working 1-2 hours a day max, and you're able to travel the world and do whatever, all that sort of stuff, right? So that's the offer. And why am I doing this? So I have found tremendous success in my agency. My peak has been $191,000 a month. You can see other videos on here going over the proof and all that sort of stuff. I've been maintaining about $120,000 a month, barely working, and all with 70% profit margins, right? Excuse me, I'm like running out of breath because I've been speaking so much, but and my shoulder is burning from holding this camera. But I've seen tremendous success, and not only success, but I've also taught many different people get from $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, and even, someone that got to $400,000 a month with this agency, right? I've taught countless people and saw a bunch of success with this, right? So, but the reason I'm doing this is because I want to tap into these other industries, but I'm not leveraged enough. It's so much extra work to go into roofing, to go into solar, to go into these other industries all by myself. I don't have the help, so I need a partner, right, where I can grab you, scale you up, and we have a 50-50 partner. I run the fulfillment, you run the front end, right? I'm looking for people who are specifically good front end people, but don't like any of the back end specifically, right? And I'm gonna train you on everything, on all my acquisition systems, the offers, the removing yourself. So it's gonna be a little bit of a consulting, of course, too. And I'm gonna run the fulfillment, right? And it's my way of, because I need help at the end of the day, right? And so, yeah, that's essentially what I'm gonna do. Hopefully that makes sense. I can go ramble on. But if you're interested, go to my Instagram. It's _Jacob Ray. Just DM me one-on-one, and we'll hop on a call and see if we are the right fit to work together, right? See if we're the right fit to work together. It's not gonna be some sales call. I'm not gonna hard close you or anything like that. I'm not gonna ask you for your motivation, why you wanna make money and all this bullshit, right? We're just gonna have a simple conversation, see if it's the right fit to work together. If it is, we're gonna hit the groundwork running. We're gonna have calls, weekly calls, one-on-one, no group calls, and we're gonna scale and build this thing up together. But that's my offer to you. So yeah, if you're interested, DM me one-on-one, and yeah, be on the post, you know, subscribe. I'll be posting more content. I will be giving an apartment tour soon of my new crib. Absolutely love it. And I'll be doing some travel vlogs, day in the life. Just let me know what you guys want me to talk about or make videos on, because I do want to start making videos. It's been a lot of fun. Just need to get back into it, and I need some accountability too. But yeah, like I said, if you're interested, DM me one-on-one on Instagram. We'll have a conversation, see if we're the right fit to work together, see if we are the right fit to work together. And yeah, we'll go from there. Peace.